Hello friends, today I will talk about electromagnets, and the subject of electromagnets is physics. Yeah, electromagnets actually has physics. Now you might think what is an electromagnet? It almost sounds like a magnet. Now I'll explain how it works and what is the difference between normal magnets. Okay, now let's start with how it works. Now, an electromagnet is similar to a magnet. Yes, it is similar. It has two poles and it can attract any iron. These are the two things that make them similar. But electromagnets does need a connection with electricity. Yes, it makes sense with the name since it contains the word electro and plus magnet, electromagnet. Yeah, we have to bring a battery and then have to use a copper wire and surround the iron with a copper wire. Yes, you need to connect the copper wire with the battery so it will work. And once you roll all the copper wire around in the iron, then it will start to get electrified and then it will form now it will work like a magnet. Yes, it will work like a magnet only if it's connected with a battery and a copper coil. Yes, now you can attract any iron with this electromagnet thing. Now, electromagnets and magnets might be the same, but there's only one difference to the electromagnet from the magnet. You see, if you unconnect a copper wire, the magnet will stop working and go back into the iron form. Now, if you try to attract any iron with the unconnected electromagnet, that means it will not work without the connection of the battery. Okay, so you have learned this in this short video. Oh, okay, I just burped a bit. Okay, anyways, as you learned that electromagnets are the same as magnets but only have one difference, which is if you can connect the copper coil, it will not work. And how it looks like. It has poles, just like a normal magnet, and has an iron, and also the poles are in an iron bar. And the electromagnet is surrounded by a copper coil, so it will work. The electricity will go through the copper coil and then charge up the electromagnet. Yeah. So that's all what you learned in electromagnets. And yeah, they only work with electricity, but they're not like a U shape, just like how a magnet looks like. It's actually just the line shaped iron. So yeah, that's the only available shape you can find. But if you're lucky enough to find a U-shaped electromagnet, well, you're lucky if you are. Okay, now that's all how you learn about electromagnets. Or, well, if you prefer the normal magnet, well, you should still love the electromagnet, only if it's connected with a battery. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and bye, and stay safe.